Good afternoon. I'm Bob McBride with MarineMax Osage Beach here at the lovely Lake of the Ozarks, and I'm here to show you this nice pre-owned G3 SUNCATCHER 26-foot tri-tune. It's powered by a Yamaha 250 horsepower, and you can see if you look up to this thing, this has got triple biminis. So when you're out there in the sun, you've got plenty of shade so you don't get burned up. Very nice pontoon, the SUNCATCHER. With the 3 tunes, it'll give you a lot of nice comfortable ride. Yeah, like I said, it was powered by a Yamaha 250 show, so good outboard motor combination. It'll perform very well for you. It comes complete with the ski tow bar as well as a nice swim deck on the back, and we've got seagrass flooring. This one is equipped with the dual lounger right here, and once again I'm pointing out the triple bimini. I've got one here, and one at the front, so when you open it all up, you're completely covered. It's got a nice stereo with speakers back here. Come on up forward, we've got a raised helm, nice swivel seat here for the captain. We've got a Garmin GPS right here, as well as stereo, and nicely equipped. Nice lounger here. Nice storage underneath, as well as that's lighted storage under there. We've got a ski locker up front to handle all your skis and tubes and everything like that. It's got stuff in it, of course, ready to get on the lake. We've got more loungers and more seating up front. This boat will take you and your family out so that you can have a great day on the lake. Once again, it's Bob McBride, MarineMax Osage Beach. Give us a call. My number is 573-606-3212. Thanks.